In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube videos not playing in Firefox browser using a few simple troubleshooting steps. If YouTube loads in other browsers but not in Firefox, the issue is often caused by corrupted site data, a bad cache, or a browser extension, like an ad blocker. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Now let's get started. First, we're going to test YouTube in a private window. This is a really useful step because private browsing temporarily disables many saved cookies and can help you figure out whether the issue is caused by stored browser data or an extension. To do this in Firefox, click the hamburger menu in the top right corner, then select New Private Window. Once the private window opens, go to YouTube and try playing a video. If YouTube works normally here, that usually means the problem is not with YouTube itself, but with something saved in your regular browser session, like corrupted cache, broken cookies, or an extension interfering with Playback. If YouTube still has problems, the next thing to do is clear YouTube's cookies and site data. Cookies and cached site data can become damaged over time, and when that happens, YouTube may fail to load, freeze, or refuse to play videos properly. To clear them, go to YouTube in Firefox and look at the left side of the address bar. You should see a padlock icon. Click that padlock icon, and a small menu will appear. From there, choose Clear Cookies and Site Data. Firefox will ask you to confirm, so click Clear to remove the stored data for YouTube. After that, refresh the page and try playing the video again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the issue. If YouTube still isn't working, the next step is to disable ad blockers and other extensions. Ad blockers are one of the most common reasons YouTube videos stop playing correctly in Firefox because they can block scripts or elements that YouTube needs in order to function. To check your extensions, click the Firefox menu again, then go to Extensions and Themes. This opens the Add-ons Manager, where you can see all installed extensions. Look for any ad blocker or privacy-related extension and temporarily turn it off. You may also want to disable other extensions one by one if you're not sure which one is causing the conflict. After disabling them, go back to YouTube and test the video again. If it starts working, then you found the cause. If you want to be extra thorough, re-enable your extensions one at a time later so you can identify exactly which one was causing the issue. That way you can keep the extensions you need and only remove the one that breaks YouTube playback. This is a great troubleshooting habit because it helps you solve the problem without uninstalling everything at once. So to quickly recap, the fix starts with testing YouTube in a private window, then clearing YouTube's cookies and site data, and finally disabling ad blockers or other conflicting extensions. These steps solve most Firefox YouTube playback problems and can save you a lot of time compared to random guessing. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, browser fixes, and quick tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.